Welcome back to Britology. Today we're diving into one of the largest luxury motorhomes ever designed, a true masterpiece on wheels that completely redefines what it means to travel in comfort, power, and style. This is not just a vehicle. It's a moving luxury residence built for those who refuse to compromise. Even on the road, imagine something the size of a small bus, but instead of basic seating and storage, every inch is crafted with high-end materials, smart engineering, and a vision of absolute luxury. This motorhome is designed for elite travelers, celebrities, business moguls, and explorers who want the freedom of the open road without giving up the lifestyle of a five-star hotel. From the outside alone, its presence is commanding. The aerodynamic body, massive dimensions, and futuristic design immediately signal that this is no ordinary RV. Advanced composites, reinforced aluminum, and premium paint finishes are used not only for looks, but also for durability and performance. As you step inside, the scale becomes even more impressive. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. High ceilings, wide corridors, and expansive slide-outs create an open, airy environment. Natural light floods the space through large panoramic windows, often treated with smart glass technology that allows privacy at the touch of a button. The flooring is usually handcrafted wood or marble-style composite, chosen to be both elegant and practical for life on the road. The living area is designed to impress and relax at the same time. Plush sofas wrapped in premium leather, custom furniture fitted perfectly to the space, and a carefully planned layout make it ideal for entertaining guests or unwinding after a long journey. A large smart TV seamlessly blends into the wall, supported by a high-end surround sound system that delivers cinema-level audio. Hidden LED lighting adds mood and depth, changing color and intensity depending on the time of day or your personal preference. Moving deeper inside, the kitchen is nothing short of extraordinary. This is a fully functional gourmet kitchen, not a compromise. You'll find professional-grade appliances, including induction cooktops, convection ovens, large refrigerators, wine coolers, and even dishwashers. Countertops are made from quartz or marble. Cabinets are custom-built with soft close mechanisms, and storage is intelligently designed to maximize space without clutter. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or hosting a private dinner on the road, this kitchen delivers. The dining area continues the theme of elegance and comfort. A large dining table, often handcrafted, is paired with luxury seating that can comfortably accommodate multiple guests. In some designs, the dining space can transform into a workspace, complete with hidden power outlets, wireless charging, and high-speed internet connectivity via satellite systems. This makes the motorhome perfect not only for leisure, but also for business travelers who need to stay connected anywhere in the world. One of the most impressive features of this massive luxury motorhome is the master bedroom. This is not a cramped sleeping area, but a true bedroom suite. A king-size bed with a premium mattress ensures hotel-level sleep quality. Surrounding the bed are elegant design elements, built-in nightstands, ambient lighting, and often a large TV directly facing the bed. Walk-in wardrobes with custom shelving and soft lighting provide ample space for clothing and accessories, making long-term travel effortless. The bathroom experience is equally luxurious. Forget the idea of a basic RV bathroom. Here, you'll find spa-inspired designs featuring rainfall showers, glass enclosures, designer sinks, and high-end fixtures. Some models even include heated floors, smart mirrors, and separate toilet compartments for added comfort and privacy. Water management systems are engineered to support long journeys without sacrificing performance or sustainability. Technology plays a massive role in making this motorhome one of the largest and most advanced ever designed. A centralized control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and even window shades from a single touchscreen or smartphone. Climate control systems are zoned, ensuring every area maintains the perfect temperature. Advanced insulation and soundproofing keep the interior quiet and comfortable. No matter where you're parked, power and sustainability are also taken seriously. These motorhomes often feature large battery banks, solar panels integrated into the roof, and powerful generators. This allows for extended off-grid living without losing access to modern conveniences. Freshwater tanks, gray water, and black water systems are engineered on a massive scale, supporting weeks of independent travel. Everything is designed with efficiency, reliability, and luxury in mind. From a driving perspective, controlling such a large vehicle might sound intimidating. but advanced engineering makes it surprisingly smooth. High-power engines, often derived from commercial trucks, provide the torque needed to move this giant with confidence. Air suspension systems adapt to road conditions, delivering a smooth, stable ride. Driver assistance features like 360-degree cameras, lane monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and advanced braking systems ensure safety and ease of handling. What truly sets one of the largest luxury motorhomes ever designed apart is the level of customization. Owners can personalize almost every detail, from interior color schemes and materials to layout, adjustments and technology packages. Some versions even include private offices, gyms, entertainment lounges, or garages capable of carrying supercars. This level of customization transforms the motorhome into a unique reflection of its owner's lifestyle. In the end, this isn't just about transportation. It's about freedom without sacrifice, the ability to travel anywhere, anytime, while enjoying unmatched luxury, privacy, and independence. This motorhome represents the absolute peak of mobile living, where engineering, design, and comfort come together in one colossal, breathtaking creation. It stands as a symbol of how far luxury travel has evolved, proving that even on the road, greatness has